Okay, Sounds of Decay 2 is Burner, and their EP, It All Returns to Nothing. It's been a long time since the emergence of bands like Bolt Thrower and Carcass, but there's something going on in the UK with extreme metal this year. It's clearly having some kind of a resurgence when you start looking at bands like The Bleeding, of course, this new Evil record, and now this scorching debut full length from the London four-piece called Burner.
We're talking about 35 minutes of hard panned riffing, ADHD friendly tempo changes, dissonant metalcore tones, and a double bass heavy percussion with just the right sprinkle of blast beats. Vocalist Harry Knott, great name,
It's not.
alternates hardcore rasp with a death friendly grunt like a seasoned vet, and the energy level of these songs is off the charts.
This one, it grabbed me right away. The Gatling gun riffing that kicks off the title track is all we need to work ourselves into a headbanging delight lather. Again, I don't know what the hell's going on in the UK this year, but it's incredible.
Maybe it's something in the water.
The song Wacko Horror.
Waco.
Whatever. It's even more intense. Chock-a-block with converged style riff bursts. I can only imagine the violence of the pit at a Burner show. If they bring even half of this intensity of this record to the stage, all hail Burner and what is becoming the SOBD, Summer of British Death. So let's play a song. This is Wacko Horror.
Waco! Two different things.
Whatever.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.